Peace and blessing of Almighty be on all of you. Good morning to all. I hope you are doing well and be safe at your home. I am Mr. Sajid, the EVS teacher. Today, we have to start a new lesson. Before going to start a lesson, I would like to ask one simple question to you. How are you? Have you had your breakfast today? Okay. My question is, where are you now? Yeah, when? Yeah, home. All of them are in their home. Okay, most probably all the members are in their home because our world is facing a crucial crisis is there, COVID 19. Okay, be safe for home. And where is your home? That is my question. Yeah, different places are there, especially Munda, Palad, Edekara, Vadikadavu, different places are there. Okay, then where are these places are located in the world? Yes, Earth. Where is these places are located? Earth. See, Earth, where we are living, the human, we are living in the Earth. All the members. What is the Earth? Earth is the home for all the living things. What are the living things? Do you know what the living things? Living things means and non-living things. Okay, living things. Earth is, I told you, Earth is the home for all living things. There are millions of things we can see from our Earth. Some things can grow and move from one place to in another places. That things we can point out that living things. Do you know anyone that name of any living things? Does anybody? Yeah, birds, animals, human beings. One of the living things in the world is okay. Human beings and animals, birds, reptiles, insect, butterflies. There are millions of things they can move from one place to in another place. Some things can move one place. So some of the things they cannot move from, especially plants. Plants they cannot move from one place to another place. But they also belong to the living things families. Okay, then non-living things are there. Some things cannot move. Non-living thing. In that word also include non. Non means is not working. That is called a non-living things. Which are the non-living things? In this classroom also we can see many things is there. Can you say in the name of the anything is there? Suppose what is this? Chalk, pen, pencil. There are million things is there that we can see in the earth that that they cannot move from one place to another place, but they can carry by the help of others. Okay, these are the things. Our earth, we are living in our earth, and earth is the home for the all the things is there. Then my question is not completed. Where is our earth? That is my question. Yes, the universe. Okay, the universe. Do you know what is the term of the universe? Have you heard about that term, the universe? The universe is the place, big open place that contain everything. The sun, the earth, the moon and stars are the object in the universe. The sky is the part of the universe. That is the universe. In the universe, we can see that many things are there. The first one is sun. Our second EVS, second chapter, the sun. The sun, the moon, and the star. stars. Okay, today we have to discuss about already sun, the moon, and the star is here. Okay, what do you mean by the sun? Have we heard about the sun? Yeah, we all of them are maybe have seen that the sun is where we can see sun in that every day. Okay, especially we know that the sun we can see at rises in the east is there. Okay, sun rises in the east. What time? In the morning. Every day we can see that the sun is rises in the morning. Then evening is going to set in the evening. Is where is the sun sets? West is sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. So already you might be studied from your previous years also, second standard also you studied that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Sun rises in the morning. Okay, sun sets in the evening. Okay, sun is a, what is do you know that other point about the sun? Sun is a huge ball of hot gases. Okay, sun is much bigger than the earth, and sun is it is a biggest star, and there would be no life on the earth without getting heat and light from the sun. See, our earth, where do we get the light from the earth? That is first question is where do we get the light from the earth? The sun. Sun gives us. Without the sun, how we have to live in this world? All living things, especially know that the people, the human beings also needed sun. Look at this now at the climate is fully sunlight we are getting that. We have no pay any amount of money for that sunlight, but at night we have to pay that money for the light getting for the electricities. Okay, but in the day we have to get that light from the sun, that is sunlight. See, plants and animals also need that sunlight. Plants use their sunlight for making their foods. Okay, plants also need without light, without sunlight, they cannot make their own food also there. Okay, then the sun gives us heat and light. Even though our the human beings also needed the sunlight, because heat also needed there. See how many millions of kilometers away from the sun is located there. Then also we cannot control we cannot suffer the sunlight. Suppose while you are going in a noon time in outside, what do we have to feel? Very hot is there. If it is, what do we have to search at first? We have to search at a shady place for covering the sunlight, because then also sunlight is getting too much hot is there. Did you see sun? Did you go there area or sun? Can we go to the surface of the sun, near the sun? No, it is not possible, because the sunlight is getting too much hot. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases that we can we have to see that sunlight. The textbook also given there the sun is here. Okay, sun is a huge ball of hot gases is there. Sun shape also is a round shape is there. The sun surface, sun color also in a reddish color is. Okay, the sun in the solar system, that today we have to discuss about the chapters, the sun and the moon, the stars is there. The solar system also that we have to discuss today is there. What do you mean by the solar system? Have we heard about the term of solar system? No. See, we have to draw a picture here. Then after that you have to understand what do you mean by the solar system. See, sun is there. Sun has 8 neighbors. What do you mean by the neighbors? Have you heard about the name of the neighbors? Do you have the neighbors? Anyone? Yeah, the neighbors. Who is the neighbors? The neighbors are the living near to us. Neighbors are living there near to us. That means we are living in different areas there. In that areas, many peoples are living near to us. That peoples are called, we can call neighbors. The sun also has many neighbors. See, this is solar systems. I am going to draw one picture here. This is sun is here, and out of the sun of the layer, we can see out of 8 layers. 8 layers means sun's neighbors. The sun neighbors means these planets. Sun has 8 planets. 8 planets. Sun has 8 planets. Is called yes, 8 planets. This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Okay, first one is Mercury, and second one is Venus, third one is Earth, and fourth Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Already we have to the textbook also given that sun's neighbors is here. See, first one Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There are 8 planets. Planets have the sun. They revolve around the sun. They revolve around the sun. Okay. The sun is one important, one miracle is I would like to say that the sun is not going anywhere. The sun always in the same position. These 8 planets are move around the sun. See, near the Earth is the third planet of near of the sun. We are the living the Earth. Okay, Earth is the third planet near that sun. See, these 8 planets are moving around the sun. The sun always in the same position. These planets are moving around the sun. They have no enough light, but they get light from the sun. The sun and these 8 planets are called a solar system. The sun and 8 planets are belong to the solar system. Okay. See, this is the solar system. Okay, maybe you might be heard about in the previous class, previous years also. What in by solar system? There are sun and belong to the 8 planets are including that solar system. Okay, then next the topic is here stars. Okay, what do you mean by stars? Have you seen the stars? Maybe you might be see the stars is here. Okay, nursery classes you might be heard about the song about the sun. Twinkle stars. Stars are twinkling in the sky. What the song we heard about that previous in our nursery classes? Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, about the stars, the poet also describing about they are twinkle there. Stars are also how many kilometers away from there. Stars, just to see that stars is in a clear night we can see thousands of twinkling stars in the sky. Okay, what day or night we can see at night clearly. At night we can see the stars in the sky is there. All the stars are a huge ball of hot gases. Okay, stars, we can see the stars also in that sky. It's a huge ball of hot gases. In that area also lights is there. That also the stars also gives us. It has not see all the stars are a huge ball of hot gases. Then one more thing is in the olden days people used to imagination to connect several stars to form a shape or pattern in the sky. Okay, an imaginary shape or pattern in the sky is called a constellations. This is a constellation. This also we have to study about in that chapters constellations. What do you mean by this constellations? One more thing is here constellations. An imaginary form or shape or pattern in the sky is called constellations. Which are the constellations? Great Bear, Orion, and Orion, Hunter, Leo, Canis Major are the famous constellations in the sky. Okay, these are the constellations. Constellations are the group of stars to form a shape or pattern in the sky. At night we can see this in olden days. Okay, see, and here I would like to sum up the classes. Again you recall that first one we discuss about the sun. We are living the earth. Also earth in earth we get the light from the sun. Sun is a huge ball of hot gases. Sun gives us heat and light, and it is much bigger than the earth, and there would be no life on the earth without getting heat and light from the sun. Okay, then one more thing, we already discussed about the solar system. Solar system including that sun is the center of the solar system. Sun has 8 families: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This 8 planets you will be study from your higher classes. From this third standard, this much only we have to study the name of the planets. Okay. Sun and these 8 planets include in the solar system. And third one we already discussed about that stars. Stars also twinkle in the sky. Stars also huge ball of hot gases. See, one more thing is going to wind up that which are the stars. An imaginary shape or pattern in the sky is called constellation. Which are the constellations? Textbook also page number 10 also given that which are the constellations? Great Bear, Orion, Hunter, Leo Canis Major, and Hercules. These are the famous constellations in the sky. Okay, today itself you have to read the textbook page number 9 and 10 more than 2 times. Then only you have to clear understand what the topic, and you have to today itself you have to read more than 3 times. If you have any doubt, you have to ask me. I will clear it now. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.